finna fuck them folks up next year. Come on. Y'all go ahead and drop all that bullshit while y'all can now.
Rich me like college bitch ice spice. Hey, I put money over bitches and I put that on my life. Yeah, all these diamonds on me hitting like a 12-round fight. And all my cousins still say Virgil, yeah, I'm talking off light. I'm talking about crack blocks on the block day and night. Want it to be like this, I can't wanna be like Mike. I'm sipping walk card, $500 in my Sprite. This big ass rock on my pinky look like a high beam light. Cutthroat plumbing team, yeah, we come through with pipe. My pockets got too fucking fat, I need to put it on ice. These niggas thinking that they fucking with this, yeah, right. This bitch told me she ain't met a nigga like me in her life. I know, I rip that fire when these niggas 5-0. Yeah, these niggas police, they just wear designer clothes. My diamonds got a slow lead, get somebody mouth to blow. Hey, I'm a motherfucking beast when it come to get this done. Rich and Millie call this bitch Ice Spice. Hey, I put money over bitches and I put that on my life. I got a chopper big as me, I send it to Jesus Christ. My neck told my wrist that it ain't going out without a fight.